Get ready with me for my friend's birthday party. Going to my friend's birthday on Valentine's Day. Just gonna go for picnic. The colors of blue and white. So I went to Mr. Price and I went to get me like an outfit because I don't really have like blue and white clothes. And blue and white is my favorite color. And see my okay, you know, stitch blue which makes sense. I'm gonna wear this bodysuit. The outfit is Mr. Price. The top. I don't really like skirts. The only thing that I saw, but it looks so creased. Let me iron it quickly. I'll literally iron this and then we put some lotion on. I'm like this, like I only went to sleep like at 6, but up at 9:30. Like, I'm feeling a bit very tired. Literally just to go. You know, yeah, it stays, and I just hope today is the day for me because I want to take some Instagram pictures. This is the socks I'm wearing, guys. Socks is so cute, like other socks. The shoes I'm wearing. Really love the shoes. It's like my favorite pair of tattoos. I wear it almost every week. Is it giving like cutesy? I don't know. Okay, so it's the watch I'm wearing. Cody chose the rings. Always use this necklace. I don't know. If it's not the gold, I lost the gold one, so I need to know the vibes. So thirsty. My foot. I don't know. I don't like this bag. Actually, my stitch.
What does it look like? Oh, the stitch. Where was this?
Okay. This is giving like picnic time.
Say yes. Just please say yes so that she can be done.